Hi, Harlan Satrom, President of Decorah Jobs, coming to you from downtown Decorah at the beginning of Nordic Fest. Our goal at Decorah Jobs is to try and retain, help expand, and attract new businesses here to this wonderful place we live. At Decorah Jobs, our businesses that we work with use energy in a variety of ways, whether it's to power their assembly machinery, their equipment, or to keep their computers on, which we all know is a critical part to all businesses these days. We have to have infrastructure to satisfy the needs of current and future businesses. As such, we need to have high-quality partnerships with companies like Alliant Energy producing power. Businesses need dependable energy and the other pieces of infrastructure that are important to them, turning the lights on and keeping their doors open every day.